Hello, in this video I will explain how to install Node.js in your system. So you have to go to the open the browser and type Node.js download in the Google. First click on the first link and you have to select based on the OS that you are using. So I am using a Windows, so I'm 64-bit. So I'm going to click on the Windows installer 64-bit. Since I have already downloaded, I will go to the downloads folder now. This is the Node.js installer file which I have downloaded already. Now double click on it to start the installation. Wait till it gets wait it comes the next page. Click on the next button, accept the license agreement and click on the next button. And then click on next. And now click on the install button to start the installation. Wait till the installation is completed. Wait till the installation is completed. Now the installation has been completed. Now click on the finish button to exit the installer. Now you have to add the Node.js to the system variables. So now open the Windows Explorer. Now right click on this PC and go to properties. Now on the right side you will find advanced system settings. Click on the environment variables in this dialog box. Now scroll down and you will find path. Now double click on it. Now you have to add, now it has been added here. If you could see the C program files slash Node.js. This is the path which has to be given in the environment variables if it is not there. So click OK, OK, and OK, and close this. Now to check the version install, whether it has been installed correctly, open the command prompt and type node-version and press enter. Now open the command prompt and type node-version and press enter. It will show the version that has been installed. So this is how you have to install Node.js on your system. Send us your queries and suggestions to sales@testonneed.com. Do connect with us on our Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Do not forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Stay tuned. Thank you.